Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpa di pigi nongpet, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo kloy ki kubor na ke jela. Napdeng ki khat arngut ki thei bhabriew ki balawan ïashim bynta haka miss teenager hajar open to all ya ka bala pynïaid da ka Chutwakhu social welfare local Dorbar Jowai hynnin ka tarik Nailur hajar ha indoor sports hall ka theilud Aishwariya Malang ka shong basa Khliehyongriang Jowai ka long ka nongjop ka ni ka jingïakop thei bhabriew la ban pynkynmaw shwa ka ni la don ka jingïalang ya ka bala donlang MLA ka Jowai Wailadmiki Shylla MDC JHADC Otomewot Lamin ki riew ka Chutwakhu Nailur kiway de ka theilud ka bala yora ya ka nam first runner up de ka Emichwa Daka B na ka shong mustem katba ka Odarica Kamar War na Chutwakhu Jowai kala yora ya ka nam second runner up. Ya ka jingïakop la panlong haki bynta ki bekentop ya ka traditional fusion round ka beauty pageant classic round bat ka evening round. Napdeng ki khat arngut ki bla sha jid kum ki top 8 contestant ki la ïashim bynta haka question round katba ki bala yo rung sya ka final top 5 pat ki la ïashim bynta sa haka common question round haka ba ki la hap an jubab ya ki jingkali da ka batho bat puli ya ki. Kinong bishar bala bishar ki ni ki thei bhabriew haka te ka sngi ki kentop ya Dr. Kamjan Chermang Lee Middleton ka sukini sutnga bat ka tanvi marak.
The biggest challenge young girls are facing today is identity crisis. Teens are highly exposed to social media. The high bar of beauty standards has affected teens to a point where they tend to hate themselves. You have the potential to overcome the challenge, and you have the strong will. Thank you.
Anxiety and belief in themselves is the biggest challenge you are facing today. So stop comparing yourself with others, because you are beautiful and unique in your own way. Stand up for yourself and show the world what you can do and make it change. Well, I believe in myself, and that's why I'm here standing in front of you all tonight. Thank you.
Thank you.
I think the biggest challenge young girls are facing today is peer pressure. Peer pressure has forced teenage girls to look or behave a certain way that gives them a sense of belongingness. This has even led them to take up habits that they otherwise aren't supposed to or aren't interested in. I want to tell young girls that they are unique in their own way. Do not compare yourself to others. Practice gratitude. I couldn't add more. Thank you. Thank you. The biggest challenge young girls are facing today is the lack of self-confidence and self-esteem. Young girls today don't believe in themselves. Well, taking advantage of this platform, I want to inspire every young girl to believe in themselves and see the difference. Then you will see how beautiful the world is and how unique you are. Thank you.
Talking about this makes us think just for violence and destructive challenges. But I'm here to remind us that the biggest challenge we face as young girls is appearance focus. We are more focused on our appearance that we tend to compare ourselves with others. My advice to myself and other young girls is to wake up and be more focused on other things in the society and in the world that will give us a bright and a better future. Thank you.
Do you think it's important for teens to actively volunteer in their communities?
Thank you, sir, for the question. According to me, I think it's very important for teens like us to actively volunteer in the communities, as we are already young adults who are capable in bringing the change, even though it is a small one. It allows us to build our confidence and skills, which will help us to tackle any obstacles in our life. Thank you.
Your question is, how has the COVID-19 pandemic affected the student's life?
Thank you, sir, for the question. COVID-19 pandemic has had a huge impact on students' life. The sudden adoption of online learning at all education levels transformed the way we learn. Initially, it completely halted extracurricular activities and impacted students' performance and achievements to a great extent, creating a great challenge for educators. Student routines, sleeping habits, and study schedules have hampered briefly. Cancellation of exams, passing students based on their internals may impact their career in the future. Also, all students are not from the same geographical regions and financial background. Therefore, they struggle in accessing the internet and setting up their learning environment. And this has surely impacted their achievement and performance. Thank you.
Contestant number 3, Odarica Kamar War. The second top 5 is contestant number 11, Aishwariya Malang. The third contestant in the top 5 is contestant number 10, riew. Next is contestant number 12, Emichwa Daka B. And last but not the least, any guesses? Okay. The last contestant in the top 5 is contestant number 8. Well, ladies and gentlemen, these are your top 5. Can we have a big round of applause for all the other contestants? The second runner-up of Miss Teenager 2022. It's none other than contestant number 3.
Uncle. boleh cuba man perdi MDC JHADC Otomewot ia kapor bynta jing MK jing chekri bynta yang kedong Chutwakhu Jowai ni. Untuk dia kapor ko kalam ni dai kapor ko pagi yang gifted talent school line ia konflikti keluar yang ngai ki yo elai ni karam andai jaga man ni program ciketian antian happy pechan ai jing to program the briefing itu head shong yang konteks yang ni program man berkopi nak podium ko dalam yang kontrol yang ko perform yang gifted talent ko blind rapnya yo ikam kini untuk dokan ke podium yang fashion dan ko yo Chutwakhu live man handai kibi tuan ki bynta la yo bagi organize di program ko lah ki sport lada haka rwai ke siau nei wan bynta Tito Jurati ya ke podium dan kata ke bentai koman kam kopi nak kilat kopi encourage yang konflikti yang yo gani bentai. Jadi perkat ia gani boleh kat ni ki macam itu ngai ajan membuat pakir wan kita support wan kita ibor musim ya ke control yang perform for yang gani ke stage dan di participant. Nebah kali nak mandi kau ni kilat kau yok kredi hagi ni kisni tu kan ni. Kebelai cuba ni alat culture yang kejing yo jengai yang ni. Wo promote yang ke kontrol yang ni. Wo kila senyap scam ni. Wo kini ke gifted talent seperti M kalau kejing mentoy. Wo ki imja menrei menkubi yang bayang kini ke skill seperti M. Ledam M kam kini ke podium. Cewon M. Betul tak cekili. Siapa mana uji yang kejuk kerensan ini? Hagi setiap tahun jadi man yang ilat lonju. Ia kawi ke produk, ia kawi ke project yang ke business start of project. Oh hari ini kejuk kerensan, hari ini kejuk bahor yang pengkut ikan. Waktu konteks kata tu umang dato ibu di kam di kontrol, berperkati lewat ini. Wong to dia mani kinong thoki umani kinong iki ka Dorbar kinong yang Chutwakhu konteks
ini encourage ya ki control ki yongi na bo ka thai yongi ki le upoi ki chado ka tu ka level ko ngam em do jingkermen na wa ki MB ka te ka sak ka talen ki wa ki fluent ki ha English jadi yo ki sebelum malah exposure ngam em wat tino wat ini ki kontrol kelot yang ina po rilom jai dia le state me hale yang yo ide uye ki compete kita di wall stage tang wa chwa boy ki tai en kam gi ya ka support yang i nei tengah yo dia kam ni ke Chutwakhu de goi ni ke platform TV Dorbar chnong le u vote ki ni ban ngasnya ko beno wa Chutwakhu sedang ni ni we ngai we yu le em chet ko ye ka talent ko da sakhi dang ni ba dem da ka jingkut yang tu ko 45 days ke training program yang nga ko da hai ni yo do tu besni le nongjop to nongjop chnong na Chutwakhu the use chet yo to mem duna ki talent ha ki chnong ki thau ye te ngai skema walang ba nei ni le bat wi ye jing kerpat ne liang yonga ya di contestant bat kham tam ye kinong job nei ni man the job hi man hi kam kite ki ambassador kam kite ki nong raktin ne bynta wo fight wo ye klam kham tam ya ni ki jingjia hai jing to ki man be ni le kin thai ni manแต่ช่วยปอร์กับเรามันดีนะรู้สังเป็นเด็กว่าเป็นช่องเอกลัมยองงาวรอว่าพิสกีโยยังกินแต่เล่นเนาะดูแต่คนแคร์ดูแต่วันนั้นเป็นเล่นที่เท้าอย่างนี้แต่ประชุมขจังไอ้ชวาชมในเลี้ยงยองงาเก้าน้องมีขมันยองพีวัดังทึ่งนี่บนเส้นเอ็มดีล็อกโยคอมเพร์นี่ไงโยคอมเพร์นี่ไงวันนี้น้องมีขมันคือระดับเฉลี่ยตั้งว่าแม่ลิงต่อง่ายแต่ duration ก็ยอมแปรงั้นแม่ยอมแปรตั้งสั้นๆแล้วแต่กันนัวบีนี่สั้น so snem tam ne san snem dula bi dalai ar snem to pandemic tem to ka go su nga kau bru dang thumni wadang first time chini ko feel uye le oro jai how the big expectation yong pi hai bhago hai poro yo pi yo mong ni kwan wadang hindro ni ka thai tang kam mo mon ni to go su nga uye le ni punem kham tam em haประธาน UM ก็ support ในกวีตะวันที่ MLA หันกันแต่ละอยู่ชิบุนที่ development ในที่รอยที่ปาอยู่ดาวอยู่ดามันบัดกำอยู่ในอยู่ดาวโยพีมาสเต็ปมันดูนี่ว่าพนายพี่มลุมละ
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with a mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.